I will show today how to create a logo and banner using ChatGPT, Google Studio, and then Grok. So I created a universal prompt for logo. I will share it in the description. So using that, I will try to create logo banner, and it has a different preference. You can select different style, shape, color, and typography, tone. This is the banner preference, dimensions, layout, content, and different uses, variations, inspiration. And I also give different sample, circular, split background, circular circuit. So you don't need to understand everything. Just copy this one and then go to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that. So I ask ChatGPT to create some objective for my non-profit foundations, and after that what I will do, I just copy again the universal one and then ask ChatGPT. So what I just ask ChatGPT that, hey, based on that objective, create a company profile, and I'm giving the universal prompt in here. So I just click it in here. Let's copy the same things for so it says that here a couple of seconds here you're ready to use prompt tailored to your Sahachar, a non-profit foundation. Just copy and paste in your design or agency brief. So let's copy this one. This is a design for our use cases, and then paste it in here again, and then so it will take some time to generate the prompt generation. Okay, that here let's switch it to 4.0. It is generating. While it is generating, let's go to the Google Studio and paste it in here. We are selecting 2.5 Pro and then say run. Okay, and then let's go to Grok, and then so when you come to the Grok, there is an option, it's called image. Let me show it again. So in here, create image in there, and then paste the prompt and make sure that Grok 3 is selected, then okay, then it will start creating. And I have a Claude. I'm not sure that Claude can do that, but let's try. Paste it in here. I select Claude 3.7 Sonnet, also give in here. So it's create. Grok gives me this one. Okay, so ChatGPT, it creates this one, Sahachar, empowering education for education. You see that there is something type error for all. So let's download this one and see. Okay, so this is from Claude, and it designed this one. We can download as SVG. So one thing, I tried multiple times to tell ChatGPT to create SVG format, but it failed. It create a picture in a certain dimension. So they have AI, and for magic media type plus 4. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT, but I think it didn't have any word limit on there, and it failed to create. So what I did, I just manually type in the Canva. I want to create a logo for non-profit education foundation called Sahachar. It provides financial assistance, empower families economically, and there is a style that you can select. So I'm going to the first one, and they give the shape in here. Let's say square, and then generate the image. So it creates something, shelter for foundation, but the writing is not good. Alright, so I think I can take Grok one. Like, so Grok, it writes in perfectly, empowering education for all. Join our mission. So there is a something, and Sahachar is good. So what I can do, we can ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. Let's take a screenshot. So I request ChatGPT again to rewrite the logo, and ask that instead of the empowering for education all, I just mention education for all. In the meantime, let's go to the Google and find some image on there. Alright, so I come in here. We can also find some other education logo from here if you like. So let's see if I like this one. I'm going to ChatGPT and upload this picture and tell it write the image color and style. So this is option 2. I just copy any logo available in Google, and then it gives all the modern styles in here. So I will tell to modify the universal prompt that I have. I request ChatGPT to modify the prompt and then adopt these changes and then provide me a new prompt. So here is the prompt. And I'm asking create a logo. My company name is Shahachar. It's a educational non-profit foundation, and I give the prompt in here. It will take some time and generate the logo. The other way is just modify the universal prompt. Instead of insert the company name, you can type it in here and then take control of that. For example, the style in here, if you select only that one render. So let's create one by one in here. So I say that Shahachar non-profit education and say the style is shape is circular, color then let's say it is globe, and then typography tone is it's a professional tone, and then visual element neon gradient ribbon glow effect, and then banner let's skip this one, platform, everything. So if you attach anything in there, any image, then it will help to create based on that. I don't have anything right now. Then there are some samples, so let's create only one, delete other. Okay, so ChatGPT create in here Shorter empowering education for all, based on the image that we provided from Google. It copy that style and then it creates this one. Alright, the other option that we are looking for, create logo. So we have a logo from ChatGPT, and if you want to further add any other visual effect, then you can use Canva. And for SVG image format, use a Claude. So I can insert this one and say create SVG format. Alright, so based on my default format, it creates a very stunning icon. You can see in here Sahaja Non-Profit Education Foundation. So now I just need to capitalize this S and it will create everything there. So I can say that everything looks great. Just capitalize Sahaja to Sahaja recreate the logo again. You can use Midjourney. Midjourney is very nice for creating logo and banner. So Claude creates something is busy, but I'm not satisfied with that. Let's wait for the ChatGPT. But so far it is nice. I can use it for the website design. So for your use cases, you just fill that universal and logo and banner prompt, and then it will, and then copy it and then paste it in the ChatGPT. It will create the image for you. Alright, now it looks good. We can use it. Alright, thank you for watching. I will keep this universal prompt in the description. Thank you.